Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use the best currency converter on Shopify. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to show you is how you can easily use it. So let's click Add App. And when I'm going to have it, I'll just click Install Application. Now I'm going to choose the free version. You can choose the Elite if you want to. And it's really simple, and I believe that after finishing this video you will know exactly how to use it. So let's just wait for a while until it's going to load, and then we will continue. My recommendation is definitely use, if you can, on your Shopify store, SMS campaigns, etc. These are like really great things that you can do. Okay, select currencies, enable app, yes. Your shop main currency, you don't have to really you need to edit your money format, so we'll just start here. Go to settings. So let's click on settings. And let's go to the general. Then scroll down below and you see the stored currency. Okay. Now change formatting. Find the HTML with currency and HTML without currency. In both text, we'll copy and paste in front of this. So I'll just like this, and click save. Voila. So we got the first thing. And now we work hard to make this up free. Okay, you can leave a review. Now when you got it, we have it. So select currencies, enable app, yes. Your shop main currency is euro. And now what you can do is I have like 5 currencies here. I can simply delete a currency. I'll delete this one and I'm going to add currency. You can delete those or move them. So let's say that people are going to be from US, so US is going to be second. And now I'll just simply click here and you can change it to Bitcoin, and this is going to be like, I don't know, Hungarian forint, right? So now when I have it, I can scroll down below and I can change the design here. And then that's pretty much it. Let's click save. Let's wait until it's going to load. And this is how simple it is to actually use the best currency settings. Okay, saved successfully. So, and now it would automatically also change. And this is pretty much it. Right now it's sold out. But yeah. So right now, when I go back to my profile and I would click here on apps, best currency converter. Let's wait until it's gonna load again. And this is pretty much it, how we can do it. So first you see the currency. You can remove them all. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.